Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this EDX folding camping cot. So if you'd like to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I did purchase this with my own money. It's available at Walmart, and this is a traditional style camping cot. So let me get it open. Now I used a utility knife to cut this open, but I was very careful. I don't want to cut the package on the inside. So this comes in a bag. Here we have the instructions. Now I may not cover everything in here. You want to read through it on your own. It shows the different parts. So there's an end bar, the cot, and the bag. So we want to unfold this. So you open it up and then you fold the end legs down. And I will demonstrate this. Once all the legs are folded down, you want to open it up. Then you're going to slide the end bars in the bed itself and hook it on. And that's pretty much it. So this is a pretty standard design of a cot. So I'll demonstrate setting it up. It came with this plastic piece. I'm not sure what it's for, but I could probably put it in the bottom of the bag just to reinforce it. So that was pretty straightforward. Let me get one of the end bars in. So there's a sleeve here. I'm going to slide this in the sleeve. There's a stud in the end here and there's a hole in the crossbar. So I'm going to line those up and I'll start on the side that's not extended. Now I'll go to the other side, and this is extended out so I can pull that out and hook it over. I had to press down on the cot itself, kind of stretch it to get it to fit. Now I'll do the same on the opposite end. So this end was more difficult because I had to stretch it. So I just used my leg to help lever it over. I actually hooked my foot under the leg of the cot and pressed with the side of my leg to get it over and then snapped it in place. So now this should be pretty taut. Yeah, it's almost like a drum. So that set up as I expected it to. Now I can use it. So I'll test it out. So this supports up to 300 pounds. Now you can use this as is. You can put your bedding right on here, or you can put an air mattress on it. Let me go ahead and lay on it. So I'm right at 6 foot and a little over 200 pounds. So I match up with the edges of this exactly. Let me get some measurements on this. The outside edges of the bars is around 29 inches. There's kind of a stitched seam in there, and the distance between those is 23 inches. Length is 73.25. And between the stitching is 67.5. Now let's check the height. And that's just under 18 inches. Obviously, if you have this on different kinds of ground, that can vary if it presses into the ground. So this is a pretty standard cot style. I know Coleman and some other companies make a cot of this style, but this is what I expected. It's kind of a thick canvasy type of material. I think this is probably a synthetic, but I think this is going to work well to meet my needs. So let's go ahead and tear this down. Again, to get these out, I just levered against my leg. So that's the EDX folding camping cot. If you're looking for a basic traditional cot, I think this is a great option. This is sort of a budget cot. It doesn't offer a lot of frills. I know some cots have cushions, but this one folds up into a very compact form, so it's easy for storage. Now it does have some heft when you're lifting it. The box lists the net weight at 18.3 pounds. So you're not going to be using this backpacking, but if you're camping from your car, or you could also use this if you have a guest staying at the house, you can give them your bed and then you can sleep in the cot if you're nice. But I think it's going to work well for my needs, and I think this will work well for a lot of other people who are just looking for a basic cot. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.